Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and fully unplugging the system. This prevents shorts and lets you work safely. Once done, remove the case panel and ground yourself so static won't damage components. You then locate the USB-C header on the motherboard. Manufacturers label it USB-C or Type-C near a 2x5 or similar pin cluster. Make sure you know whether your case provides a dedicated cable or you need an adapter. This determines the connector orientation and pin mapping you'll use next. You align the cable's keyed end with the header so pins match. Looking for a notch or plastic key prevents reversed insertion. Then, hold the connector perpendicular to the header and press evenly. You should feel a gentle click or see it sit flush. Forcing it risks bent pins. Once seated, route the cable along the case interior away from fan blades and heat sinks. Make sure it is anchored with zip ties at 2 points so it won't pull or tug when you reassemble the chassis. You close the case enough to safely reconnect power and boot. Once the system posts, check BIOS or your operating system to confirm the USB-C port is detected and that any alternate mode or power settings are enabled. If it doesn't work, power down and reseat the connector, inspect for bent pins or cable damage, and update the motherboard firmware and USB drivers. If problems persist, swap in a known good cable or test another port. Consulting the manual for the exact pinout often reveals subtle mismatches to correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.